Hindi na lamang consumer trend ang mga electrified vehicle dahil ngayon ginagamit na rin ang electric trucks ng mga logistic company. Para sa mas efficient at eco-friendly operations, yan ang agenda report ni Mobility Correspondent G. Baroga.
Itinutulak ni Bilyonaryo Romel Sitin, chairman ng United Asia Automotive Group Inc. o UAAGI, ang shift papunta sa electrified vehicles, not just for daily drivers but for large-scale business operations. Tinurn over ng commercial vehicle brand nitong Photon ang 45 trucks sa DHL Summit Solutions Inc. o DSSI, isang joint venture sa pagitan ng DHL Supply Chain at JG Summit Holdings. Nakikita ang partnership na ito na step forward, hindi lamang para sa electric vehicle industry, kundi pati na rin sa pagiging efficient at mas sustainable ng logistics operations sa Pilipinas.
UAGI has been investing a lot with new energy vehicles. This is not just selling new trucks. This is a shared vision between DSSI and Photon.
The fleet includes a mix of light and heavy-duty trucks, with 23 fully electric Photon Tornado 3.6 EVs leading the rollout. Inaasahang makakatulong ang electric units na ito sa pagpapababa ng carbon emissions ng DSSI, habang tinutugunan din ang demand ng high-volume logistics.
Our electric vehicle lineup represents our next step in providing sustainable transport solutions, designed to meet the ever-changing needs of businesses such as DHL.
One truck, one route, and one partnership at a time. It's about us transforming the way we move our goods across Manila and the regions ahead.
Ayon sa mga kumpanya, gagamitin ng mga electric truck sa paghahatid ng essential at basic goods, at magsisilbi itong real-world test sa reliability ng EV sa commercial logistics. DSSI describes this as, quote, the future of trucks. At habang patuloy ang pag-arangkada ng mga Chinese car brands sa local market, ang Photon, na halos 2 dekada na sa bansa, nakagawa na ng kasaysayan bilang kauna-unahang Chinese auto brand na nakapasok sa top 10 ng vehicle sales. Ngayon, nananatili itong key player sa local automotive scene as commercial vehicles continue to drive the industry's growth. Para sa Agenda, G. Baroga, Bilyonaryo News Channel.